Stop looking for the better chart patterns. The biggest edge in trading happens before you even open the chart, and almost nobody is talking about it. Hello everyone, we are on Great Britain Pound USD on 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I draw some simple liquidity zones on my chart. So basically, I am waiting for my setup to enter short trade on cable. I am going to look my entry setups on each of those levels. Sometimes I am also trading supply and demand strategy, but not in this case. From the technical point of view, this looks amazing. But there is more behind this. I have been working on COTDesk App for more than a year. This app gives us significant edge by analyzing COT reports and the strength of the US dollar index in the most effective way possible. You can find more information about the app on the COTDesk website. After analyzing all supported instruments, the app provides a list of the top trading opportunities. Once you open the list and find the best opportunities, you can go through the charts and choose the instrument with the strongest technical confirmation. In our case, it is Great Britain Pound USD dollar. When you click on the individual instruments, you will get more detailed insights. For the Great Britain Pound USD, the COT reports show that the large traders are increasing their short positions while closing their long positions. At the same time, the US dollar is fundamentally strong. Even the dollar index strength is showing 58%, it still indicates bearish outlook for Great Britain Pound USD. This means British Pound is weak while US dollar is strong, and both signals are aligned, suggesting a bearish trend. This is why both indicators are highlighted in red and labeled as bearish. They both confirm that the higher probability scenario is to look for selling opportunities on this currency pair. Now that you have such a powerful edge, all that's left is to wait for the best technical setup to enter a short trade on Great Britain USD with confidence. Of course, the higher you enter, the better your entry price will be and the greater your potential reward. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao!